Welcome to the cabaret of math. Math. The topmost. Ascension. Top height. Math. And acro. Now, I'm telling you, man, acro means the topmost description. Ladies and gentlemen, you need to have a seat. We about to build. And math, not opinion. Math has no opinion except to be correct. This is audio learning. We're learning words, definitions, etymology through verbal, via legible description in habitual, acro, righteous definition, or a hard, precise understanding. And difference between math and science, fact and opinion. And I'm going to give definition and acro description of satellite, firmament, the fizz, the atmo, the exmo, and the thermo. And I'm going to give you precise definition, temperature, and contradiction. First contradiction, two sides that oppose the same topic. One or both cannot be true, ladies and gentlemen. For example, religion and science, because they go up, down, left, right. Now the topic would be the proper direction. Because up says up, down says down, left says left, right says right. Who's right? The directions. Because direction is like math. Neither have an opinion except to be the upright math and the upright direction. Now you get it? Well, if you didn't get the long example that was given, you ain't trying to get it. So with that being said, I'm going to begin the audio lesson with one more word, idiot, and its etymological definition. A noun, a person of low intelligence. From Latin, idiota, an ignorant person. Now let's begin the lessons of definitions. Satellite, an artificial body placed in orbit around the moon, the earth, or another planet in order to collect information for communication with who? Man, the hardest material on a satellite is silica, and that melts, ladies and gentlemen, at 3,100 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, satellite from Latin, satlius, you know what I'm saying, attended. Now on the firmament, a vault, a roof, a dome ceiling. From Latin, firmamentum, to fix or settled, stationary, not moving. But we're going to move on to the fizz, you know what I'm saying, atmo, meaning air or unit of pressure. Exmo means outside of the edge of the unit of pressure of air or the atmosphere. And the heat comes from a thermosphere at a temperature, ladies and gentlemen, of 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit at capacity. Now, no biblical, mathematical. 1 Genesis says firmament, and we already broke down that definition. Oh yeah, it also says water is over the ceilinged, domed firmament. Still in Genesis? Come on, man, follow the heathen, you hear me? Then in verses 14 to 20, and I'm going to paraphrase all of these. Moon, sun, stars to mark sacred, not moving constellations. Oh, I'm sorry. I mean to mark sacred time. Because time don't exist, damn it. You know what I'm saying? And then by the way of Google, it clearly says that the satellites take pictures of other planets. And then it also rests in the thermosphere. Clearly, it is 500 degrees hotter in the thermosphere than the toughest metal on the satellites, people. We just did the math. And they say they rest in the thermosphere. That means that is satellite soup. What they telling us is poop. I end the lessons with the word contradiction. Because somebody is lying. Because they directly contradict, man. Both of them, religion and science. And they control the governments all over the planet. And the last etymological definition I'm going to give is government. And it means controlling the minds of the masses, I promise. I just gave this in acro, pure, ortho, exact, total description. Ladies and gentlemen, somebody is lying. You hear me? Either God or NASA. Somebody lying. Because the biblical, no mathematical, no biblical. Listen, firmament means roof, ceiling. And he clearly said he set the moon, the sun, and the stars in it with water over it. Come on, man. In 1:1, he said he hovered, and then he split the waters, Red Sea believers. Come on, peace, Creation Bay. I'm done. It's building. We building in math. This is math. Rewind the poem. Somebody lying.